Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys know, I've been cooking on YouTube. So, today, as a Nigerian living in the Philippines, I would like to try some of the Filipino dishes. Specifically, I'll be cooking today the Filipino Sinigang. So, stay tuned as you watch me cook, and feel free to drop your suggestion in the comment section. Thank you guys. So, guys, here are the ingredients I'll be using for the cooking. I have here the string beans, the radish, beef, tomatoes, chili, onion, okra, and pechay. So stay tuned as I cook. So guys, moment of truth. So I'm going to have a taste of the Sinigang. So I hope this tastes good. Wow, I kind of like the sour taste it gives. Then let me taste this one. Mm, yeah, it's good. The mixture of the vegetable, the beans and the pechay. I kind of like it. Yeah, this is good. This is good. So guys, you really want to try this. I really recommend you to try this if you're a foreigner in the Philippines. Maybe you're looking for some of the Filipino dishes to try out. Honestly, I highly recommend this. Thank you for watching. So catch you in my next video. Bye.